I'm Amy from Doodle Dog Designs.
We're at my mother's house again, and in this video we're going to look at her sewing antiques. This is a little basket pin cushion that's made out of celluloid. Celluloid tatting shuttles. Here she has a couple of celluloid sewing kits. The tops on these are thimbles, and these have advertising on them. This is a wooden needle case. And here's another one. This one is in the shape of a tall acorn. Here's an antique sewing box. It's got a pin cushion on the top, and then the top opens up and you can put your thread in there, and you can put your thread on the little nails, and then you can string the thread through the holes. Kind of like a yarn bowl today.
Yeah. Hey, nice. Pulled it out like that. And then this was just a little storage drawer. I forgot about those little buttons.
Neat little buttons. Here's a spool holder. You can lift up these little pins and put your thread through. It's got a little pin cushion on top and a drawer on the bottom.
They're all homemade. Just little. These are like little bone knobs. The little finials are interesting.
Very fancy. So these are some sewing birds.
This one's lost its little pin cushion.
Okay. So you can clamp it on the table next to you. Have a little pin cushion.
And then you could put, if you needed an extra hand to hold something, the little bird's beak, you put it in there, and then that was an extra.
A sewing basket. That's cute.
And this is a thimble case. Isn't that cute?
Huh. Adorable. Darning supplies.
And then that's just a little needle case. And
got the pin cushion.
There's several pin cushions.
An old needle case up there. Needle book.
And an old ruler measuring device. Some older scissors.
Another needle book.
Yeah. And then an old McCall's ruler. And then this is a home ec book.
Here are some toy sewing machines. Got a little drawer. So this would have been a display in a store.
Yeah.
So you've used it to store your needles. You've got a collection of the old tomato pin cushions.
Basket, and had all kinds of stuff in it. Rug hook, there's old rug hooking tools, and then a place for your thimble,
A little pin cushion.
and pin cushion, and then another thimble holder or needle holder. So it's a little thimble box.
Is that an old pin cushion?
That's not a pin cushion, that's an ink pen wipe.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Interesting. And then these are darning tools.
Yes, darners, and then just a pin cushion and old thimbles. And then this little thing, this is what zippers used to come in. So they were wound up in that, but 30 cents for a zipper.
It's an old spool cabinet. Some more of your pin cushions. So you would put the spools of thread in the little
That's where
nose,
they go.
yeah, just like the other one.
Be sure to click the like button and subscribe below. I'll see you next time. Bye.